Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you about things that you need to know before using double or nothing and grow a garden too. So before you use this new feature, there are a few important things that you should know. So previously, the selling system had the barricade feature, but now it has been replaced with the double or nothing. This one, this one. And with this feature, you can take a chance to double the selling value of your inventory and earn double more money. It sounds great, right? But there's a cost. If you are unlucky, you will lose the entire inventory you selected for the gamble. So I think this feature is very risky and depends completely on luck. But if you still want to try it, just here's a useful tip. Just favorite your valuable plant first. Like here, just favorite your plant, and by doing that, your most expensive items will be protected and won't be included accidentally if things don't go your way. And if you don't like taking risks, you can just simply wait for the daily deals to appear in the sale menu like this. It will appear once at one day, and this deal can give you better price without risking your inventory. So just think carefully before hitting that double or nothing button, this one. And okay, that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.